how to buy Ripple or XRP on MetaMask. So what you're going to do first is we're going to change our environment over here. So simply select our icon over here on the top left. Now by default, it's going to be Ethereum. So what I want you guys to do is to click on BNB Smart Chain mainnet over here. And you should be able to see here that it is currently in BNB. After that, we're going to click on import over here. And then simply click on search tokens and type XRP. And you should be able to see here XRP token. It should be this icon over here where there's three circles connected. So click on that, click on import, and now you have XRP token over here. So now you can simply buy the XRP token over here, as you can see, by clicking on buy. So that's basically it, guys. Aside from that, you could also receive XRP token by clicking on the receive over here, and then you could just give the code or your QR code to the person you want to receive that XRP token from. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.